Fans of the Android Find Hub feature. Do you have any accessories in this list that you no longer have access to? Older versions of the service did not allow you to remove these, but Google has recently begun rolling out this to the community. And I'll be showing you how to remove these devices on your Android smartphone or tablet. To remove accessories from your Android Find Hub network, I actually recommend you visit the website for this feature first, but I'm reading that this will work in the app as well. So start by visiting this website here, and I'll be sure to include this link in the video description below so that it's easy for everyone to find. Look through the devices in this list, and when you find one that you want to delete, simply tap on it, and then look toward the bottom here. You'll see that Google has added a Remove from Find Hub option. Tap on that, and it'll be removed from your Find My Hub network. Personally, I'm only seeing this remove option on this pair of Pixel Buds. I don't see it when I'm looking at a device itself. And the announcement itself talks about you being able to remove old accessories from this list. So I'm not sure if this feature will be offered for smartphones and tablets in the future. Let me know in the comment section below if you're able to delete an old phone from this page here. Also, I wanted to point out that I'm told this new feature will show up in version 3.1.664-3 of the Find Hub app. But when I first installed this application, the option was not there. I was only able to see this when I loaded up into the website within Chrome. So if you're having difficulty finding it in the app, then definitely check out the website next.